Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Google Fi account with security verification step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google Fi website. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your Google account email address associated with your Google Fi account. Click on Next to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your password. Type your password in the provided field. Click on Next once more. If you have two-step verification enabled, a verification prompt will appear. Choose your preferred method for receiving the security code. Options typically include a text message or an authentication app. If you select text message, ensure your phone number is correct. Open your phone to receive the verification code. Input the code into the designated field on your computer. Click on Verify to confirm the code. Once verified, you will be redirected to your Google Fi account dashboard. Review your account details as needed. You are now successfully authenticated to your Google Fi account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.